So hi everyone, so this morning I'm on Sector B and I have a lovely 3-bedroom 3-bathroom Rosa Style property this time. So we're not very far from the amenities here, and we're 30 minutes from Calida Airport, 20 minutes from several beautiful beaches. So let's go in and I'll show you around this lovely home. So this is the property that I'm going to show you now. Those lovely decorative sliding gate there, and you have a nice wall raised for privacy. So let me take you inside now. I'm going to show you the road, and it's a pretty quiet area just here. Now this will hold at least 2 cars in this property, one at the front here and one just under the pergola. Loads of beautiful plants. Whoops, a bit loud there. I'm going to walk around the garden and show you the pool area, and there's a nice seating area down here as well. So this is a nice shaded area of the garden, as you can see, and you have your shower there. You have a nice little plunge pool there as well. Just here you have storage for your logs, and you've got a boiler there as well. Got a nice little seat over there too. So the garden is laid mainly to shale, or nice decorative stone I should say, and so it's low maintenance, you know. It's lovely and sunny around here. Now this is a lemon tree, so you can get your lemons at nice in a slice. I think there's one hiding in the back there. Got a water point just here, and they have a new orange tree just here as well. So they have some garden sheds, which is great for storage, and you have understairs storage here. So this is quite a big one with a gas boiler, large fridge freezer, and there is a light there as well. Now this bit of storage here, even though it's a bit smaller, there is a tap there and there's electricity in here as well. So what the owner was saying earlier to me was that they were going to make that a bigger door all up, so you could put your washing machine in there if you wanted to. Okay, so just over here in the garden, it's a nice area for outside dining. You've got a nice little outside kitchen. You've got your fridge there, some granite worktops, some cupboards, your barbecue and your plancha, prep table, microwave. You got it all here really, and then you got your little bug spray, your bug killer there. You know, it's a nice little pergola in the shade. Now you also have this beautiful little garden, and you have a fabulous hot tub, and you know how I like a hot tub. So this hot tub is with the property as well, so you got a hot tub and a pool. The only reason I haven't put it on is because it's so noisy you wouldn't hear what I was telling you guys, you know. So this is a nice little area here. Okay, so I'm going to take you into the main house now, and it has a conservatory here, so they've enclosed the outside, or they've enclosed the conservatory I should say, to make extra accommodation. Right, so I've just come into the conservatory now, and in the conservatory they have got the windows. They are not fixed, so you can take them out if you don't want them. They have insect screens on them, and they slide open to let those warm summer breezes through. You also have radiators throughout this property, and you have aircon, and there's some aircon down there. So this is great for extra accommodation if you've got friends or family coming over. Okay, so I'm just gonna come around here now. Let you see the front door. So we're just going in through now, and we'll have a look around this lovely home. So I've just come into the living room of this property. As you can see, there is electric log burner fire there. Lovely effect. You have dual aspect windows here. You also have aircon and you have central heating throughout this property. Just above, you have got ceiling light and fan. Now on this side of the Rosa, you have a dining area and you got your hatch through your kitchen there. You've also got radiators in there and further down. Now in here you've got plenty of top and base units. You've got a gas hob and electric oven. You also got your dishwasher and a fridge freezer. You've got plenty of worktop space and this lovely kitchen where you can hand over your meals to your guests in the dining room. So I'm just going to come out here and we go around. Now in here is a shower room. So you got your shower cubicle with your clear screen shower screen, mosaic floor tiling on the bottom of the shower. You got your WC sink and vanity unit with a very large mirror there. You've also got your washing machine in here, and you will find washing machines are in the shower room in a Rosa. You also have got a heated towel rail and some more storage. Just above the door, of course, you have got an overhead heater. So through here is a double bedroom. In the double bedroom you have your radiators under the window, you've got insect screens, reccas and blackout blinds. In the far corner there you have your aircon, and just above you've got a ceiling light and fan. Nice double bedroom. Now in this double bedroom you have a double wardrobe with overhead storage as well. So let me take you in now to the master bedroom. Now in the master bedroom they've had some new flooring put down. You have your double wardrobe with your overhead storage. You have your aircon, ceiling light and fan. It's quite a large bedroom. And just behind the chair there you've got your radiator. Whoops, my camera. So if I come this way, you will see the ensuite to this bedroom. And in the ensuite, you've got new flooring, sink and vanity unit, a very modern mirror and light, storage, got your WC, your heated towel rail, which is the central heating. You have a vent there to take out any steam. You have a semi-frosted glass shower screen. And just in here you have got the rain head shower. So lovely upgraded bathroom. So I'm going to take you in and around. I'm going to take you up the stairs at the side of the building, which is your third bedroom with an ensuite. Okay, so let's have a look at that. And it's just around here and through the conservatory. So you know what I'm going to say, guys? I'll see you at the top. Now up here you have a lovely area where you can sit and just have a cup of tea, read the newspaper if you want. You have a top box up here, you have storage just there, and your washing line around there. So just here, this is your third bedroom. Just bring you in. Now, as you can see, it's a nice size for guests. You got your aircon and your ceiling light and fan. Just over there you got a sliding white door, which is your ensuite, and you got a wardrobe there, just covered with a curtain. Now just in here, you have your sink and pedestal and your WC, and you have a shower cubicle with a frosted shower screen. Now it is all fully tiled, and you've got a frosted glass window. Got a nice mirror there as well, and some more storage. So I just want to give you a feel for the room. So it's a good sized bedroom if you're having guests, and you've got the TV there as well. So I'll just bring you around the corner here. So some people, when they have a bedroom up here, I know they've got a washing line downstairs, but some people put lounges here. They put some grass up here, and they might put a lazy spa, you know, one of those blow up ones as well, just for up here. And as you notice, the roof is slightly slanted here to take any water rain when the rain comes, because they are flat roofs here on Camposol. Okay, it's really pretty quiet road. It's quite nice. So I'm going to take you downstairs, guys. So guys, I found a nice shaded spot in the garden, which is fabulous. So what do you think of this property? Now this is a Rosa with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, which is very unusual. So if you like the Rosa style, you're in with luck. Not only has it got a nice plunge pool, it's also got a hot tub. Got a lovely area for sitting here, and I think there was an area around the back as well. Plenty of storage with sheds or whatever, and you got room for 2 cars. Fabulous property. So if you're interested, do contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com, and I will put the number of the reference and the price in the title of the video for you guys. All right, the contact details for the agent are all below in the description box, so please contact the team at Tolettoseltobuy if you want to arrange a viewing. All right, so until the next time, guys, take care, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.